Okay guys, so you see the title of the video. We're going to be using old car ramps to update our farmhouse fireplaces. So this is what we're using. These big old car ramps. We're going to be cutting them into sections. I'll show you where we're going to be putting it. These old fireplaces can be really dangerous. You see we got a fire going here, and you can see with just a little bit of help, let me show you. You can see it's starting to burn and it's starting to fall forward, and then all of a sudden you have a log roll onto your nice brand new floor and just all kinds of havoc, right? So we're going to be using those car ramps, and we're going to be building a metal fireplace, hopefully with some doors, and we're going to show you guys how to do that. Cut them into sections. Even smaller sections. Then we welded them. Alright guys, so we got these sides cut out. We're trying to engineer it in a way that would make sense. Come on down. So we're gonna be putting these on the sides. We're gonna be putting a nice little top on, and then hopefully some doors in the middle. Alright ladies and gentlemen, we got it all welded together, and we're just giving her a little dry fit, so come on down. You can see we used the ramp part to give it a little bit of an angle down. We had to weld it right here in the middle to get it to work, but it kind of pushes the smoke up if you use your imagination. So we're probably going to weld a little top piece on, and we're probably going to weld a little bottom piece on so that our door can close and it can be somewhat airtight. We'll keep you guys updated. We still have to final fasten it after we paint it, but we got this nice old beautiful fireplace. You can see where we welded it together. You can see where we ground it down. It looks beautiful. You can see how much more room we have inside now. We don't have to worry about logs falling out, small children getting lost. Guys, we mixed up some 40-minute plaster and we put some sand in there. Some really thick, coarse sand, and we're filling in all of our cracks. Not all of our cracks, but most of them. And you can see with just a little bit of help, let me show you.